Hello, I'm Upasana along with my friend Prameya. We are thrilled to introduce you to FarmGenie, an innovative project set to revolutionize agriculture. With our AI powered crop disease prediction and recommendation system, we are addressing the critical issues of crop losses due to pests, diseases, and improper selection of crop. Let us explore how FarmGenie leverages advanced technology to empower farmers, minimize losses, and foster sustainable agricultural practices. Together, let's dive into the future of farming.
In agriculture, annual losses of 50,000 crore due to pests, diseases, and improper crop selection pose a severe challenge. This impacts food security, especially in a country dealing with widespread food insecurity. Simultaneously, global agricultural land is also shrinking at an alarming rate.
FarmGenie steps in as a solution. Our AI powered crop disease prediction and recommendation system utilizes advanced algorithms for accurate disease prediction. It enables the scope of proactive disease management for farmers. Moreover, the system offers personalized crop recommendations based on soil conditions, climate, and historical data, empowering farmers to make an informed decision.
The objective is clear: minimize losses, optimize productivity, and contribute to sustainable agriculture practices. FarmGenie aligns with the Sustainable Development Goals like no poverty, zero hunger, and responsible consumption and production. This project envisions a future where technology transforms agriculture.
From minimizing losses to fostering sustainable practices. Join us on this beautiful journey exploring how FarmGenie addresses critical challenges in farming. Welcome to FarmGenie, where innovation meets agriculture to cultivate success.
The crop recommendation system relies on the LGBM classifier, which is a decision tree based classification model known for its efficiency. Meanwhile, the disease prediction system utilizes ResNet, which is a convolutional neural network for accurate disease identification through advanced pattern recognition and analysis. So, first of all, I'll enter the nitrogen 40, phosphorus 50, potassium 20. Temperature can be around 12 degree, humidity around 75, soil pH value can be like 8, and the rainfall can be around 120 millimeters. I will submit it, and then it will show me that the recommended crop is pigeon peas, and it will also show me the suitable conditions for growing pigeon peas like the nitrogen ratio range, temperature range, humidity range, etc. This is the disease prediction system. I'll first choose the file of my infected crop. Like I have chosen the common rust image of corn. I'll submit it. It will do some processing and then first recognize that the crop is corn or maize and the disease is common rust, and it will also show the causes and remedial measures. I will select another file which can be of maybe tomato, and I will select this file. I will submit it. So this is the file for early bright, which is the disease. It will recognize that the crop is tomato, the disease is early blight, and the causes and remedial measures of early blight. As we conclude our journey with FarmGenie, let's explore its promising future. Integrating remote sensing and advanced technologies like deep learning can enhance precision. Real-time monitoring through IoT devices promises comprehensive insights for proactive decision making. By integrating sensors, the system can help optimize water usage, ensuring efficient irrigation practices, and contribute to sustainable water management in agriculture.
The social impact is limitless. It aligns with sustainable development goals of ensuring food security, promoting technological advancements, supporting responsible consumption, among others. Commercially, the system's scalability and adaptability makes it a viable and equitable solution for diverse agricultural landscapes.
In FarmGenie, we don't just see a project, we envision a future where technology transforms agriculture. Join us in this pursuit of sustainable farming practices and a resilient agricultural future. Thank you.